Hi dear children, now we can explain the spreadsheet program MS Excel 2010 once again. We already completed the lesson and also we completed the notes. Again we can explain, once again we can explain the spreadsheet program MS Excel. Children, this is MS Excel screen and MS Excel 2010 allows to organize data in rows and columns. This is rows and columns. These rows and columns form a worksheet. Is it clear? This allows to organize data in rows and columns. That rows and columns you can see here. These rows and columns form a worksheet. And I told you MS Excel 2010 is a spreadsheet program. And what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a file like a notebook. It's a file like a notebook having 255 individual worksheets. So in a spreadsheet, how many individual worksheets are there? 255 individual worksheets are there. That you can see at the bottom of the screen. Here already we can see 3 sheets. And here one small icon is there. If you are clicking this icon, we can insert another worksheet. Like now it's become sheet 4. And like we can create 255 worksheets. Okay. And this is, what is this? Now you can see a rectangle with a border line, bold border line. It is called cell. What is this? This is cell. That means the intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Intersection of row and column means this is column and this is one row. Okay. So the intersection, by intersecting this row and column, we can make one cell. A cell is the basic unit of worksheet. Now you can see a number of cells in this sheet. So we can say cell is the basic unit of worksheet. And in the cell only we are entering data. Cells are identified by column and row in which they are located. That means suppose I am clicking or I am selecting this cell, we can identify this cell with a column name and row number. Is it clear? That is known as cell address. And each cell has a name or cell address. Suppose now I am clicking this cell and this cell has a name or a cell address. That we can see it in this formula bar. This is so. Now I selected the cell M6 and this is H15. Like each cell has its name or cell address. Clear? And the uses of about the uses of MS Excel also I explained it in the theory class. Now I will show you how we can open how we can start MS Excel. Click on the start button, select click all programs, then click on Microsoft Office. From there we can click MS Excel 2010. Then we will get like a screen this. And what are the elements in this screen? We can go through each element. The first one is title bar. What is this? This is title bar. You can see a blue line at the top of the screen. This is title bar. It appears at the top of the screen and it displays the name of the current document. Now you can see the name of this document. It is book 1 Microsoft Excel because I didn't save this. If I saved with a specific name, that name will appear on the title bar. Okay, so title bar appears at the bottom of the screen and it displays the name of the current document, and it also contains minimize, maximize and close button. At the corner right side of the screen we can see three buttons, that is minimize, maximize and close buttons. Okay, next one is quick access toolbar. It is at the top of the title bar. This is quick access toolbar. It helps us to do common task with a single click. We can do the common task means file, save, from the file menu save and undo, copy, all these functions we can do it with a single task. Next one is ribbon. This is a ribbon. This portion is known as ribbon, and ribbon is divided into two parts, that is tabs and groups. These are tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. This is home. This is menus, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. This is tabs, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, and this is groups. The below the menu bar, that is groups, and each tab contains commands. Home tab has its groups, and home tab has its own commands, and insert tab also has commands. Page layout has its command. These are the page layout commands, and this is formula tab commands, and this is data tab commands. This is review tab commands, and this is view tab commands. So each tab has its own commands. That commands are showing just below the menu bar. Is it clear? This is known as, both these two bars are known as ribbon, and ribbon is divided into two groups, two parts, that is tabs and groups. Clear? Next one is formula bar. Below the ribbon there is formula bar. The formula bar is also made of two parts, that is, this is name box. The left side of the screen, that is known as name box, and next one is formula box. Clear? So what are the now I mentioned about four elements. First one is title bar, second one quick access toolbar, third one ribbon. These two menu bars, menu bar and the commands, both together known as ribbon, and below the menu bar the another one is formula bar. Formula bar is also divided into two parts, that is name box and formula box. Okay, and what is this? I already told you, this is cell. Cell is the box created by the intersection of row and column. This is row and this is column. So intersection of row and column, it makes cell. And worksheet. What is worksheet? This page together known as worksheet. Many cells are there in the screen. This is known as worksheet. It's a page contains cells with the rows and columns. What is worksheet? Worksheet is a page that contains cells with rows and columns. And next one is sheet tab. This is sheet tab. The names of the worksheets appear on the sheet tab. Each tab has, we can give our names, and the active sheet name is displayed in bold letters. Suppose now it's sheet 4 is active. Now I am going to select sheet 1. Now the sheet 1 is bold. Sheet 1, that sheet is active. When it is bold, we can know that sheet is active. Clear? And how we can select the data, select the cells, just click and drag the cells. Like we can select the cells. Is it clear? So I explained the elements of MS Excel 2010 and also I told you how to open MS Excel. So I hope you understood this class. Read the textbook thoroughly. Have a nice day. Thank you, dear children.